Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes someone who talks a lot. Loquacious. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is loquacious. Let's break it down. First we have lo, which sounds like the low in low. Next is que, which rhymes with say and is stressed. Then comes shoes, which sounds like shoes in cushion. Now, let's put it all together. Loquacious. Try repeating after me. Loquacious. Now a little faster. Loquacious. And at full speed, loquacious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Loquacious refers to someone who is very talkative, often in an overly chatty or wordy way. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce loquacious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.